Good morning, students. Welcome in science class. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. As you know that beta, your UT exam have already been started and you have attempted 2 to 3 exam, and now it's turn for your science exam. So today I will give you certain instructions regarding that exam. I know you all are aware your UT syllabus, but again I will tell you your science UT syllabus. In your UT, lesson 3 plants and lesson 12 measurement will come. Along the instruction, we will revise one worksheet also that is based on these 2 chapters. Okay. So, first I will give you certain instruction, that is your exam will be on 16th June and your syllabus is lesson 3 plants and lesson 12 measurement, and diagrams are part of plant, parts of plant, leaf, roots, flower and seeds. Okay, you have to read each and every topic, each and every chapter thoroughly, because internals will come. Okay, in your exam certain types of questions will become, like answer the following questions, fill in the blanks, match the following, true false, MCQ, circle the odd ones, name the following, etc. Okay, so first you read each and every question carefully, thoroughly, and then write the answer. If in any question there is 2 questions, 2 combined questions, so you have to give 2 separate answers for each questions. Each part will carry separate number. Okay, you have to take care of the spelling of each and every words. Spelling should be correct, otherwise the marks will be deducted. In match the following, especially beta, you have to opt only one option, whether you have to write the numbering or whether you have to write the correct answer in front of that one. Okay, आपने दोनों ऑप्शन नहीं लेने, आपने एक ही ऑप्शन लेना है, या तो आपने उसके सामने आंसर लिखना है या नंबरिंग डालनी है. ओके, डोंट टाइप आंसर बेटा, आपने टाइप नहीं करने आंसर्स को. अगर आप आंसर्स को टाइप करोगे तो मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. यूज डार्क पेंसिल. अगर आप लाइट पेंसिल यूज करते हो दैट इज नॉट विजिबल, है ना, तो यूज डार्क पेंसिल एंड अपलोड द रेलिवेंट आंसर बेटा, एक्यूरेट आंसर. अगर क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अटेम्प्ट किया है तो यू हैव टू राइट आंसर नंबर 1 एंड अपलोड दैट आंसर. डोंट अपलोड ऑल द आंसर्स. Upload the answers one by one. Answer number 1, upload that answer, wait for a minute, ठीक है, then upload 2 second answers. ऐसे आपने एक एक करके आंसर्स को अपलोड करना, सारे आंसर्स एक साथ अपलोड नहीं करने. ओके, स्पेलिंग शुड बी करेक्ट एंड नंबरिंग ऑफ द क्वेश्चन शुड बी करेक्ट. अगर आप आंसर 1 लिख रहे हो, क्वेश्चन 1 अटेम्प्ट कर रहे हो, तो यू हैव टू राइट आंसर 1. Okay, so these are some instructions that is related to your, that is necessary for your exam. You have to take care of these instructions and do your paper honestly. Be honest beta, don't try to cheat. Don't ask any answers to your mother or to your father, and don't cheat any answers from your notebook. Be honest. Okay, and best of luck for your exam. I hope you all will score full marks in your exam. Okay, best of luck beta. Now we will do the revision. Now beta we will do worksheet, revision worksheet of chapter 3 and chapter 12. So question number 1 है बेटा, tick the correct answer. Which part of the plant remain under the ground? Okay, so stem, flowers and root. You have to put a tick mark in front of the correct one. Which part of the plant remains under the ground? Now, which of the following device is used to measure temperature? Watch, thermometer and scale. Third one is, where are stomata present in a plant? Stomata is present in a plant. Where stomata is present beta? Leaves, flowers or stem. Fourth one, how many seconds are there in 1 minute? In 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 24, 60 or 100. Okay. Now beta, fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. First है the device used to measure time are dash and dash. You have to write the name of the devices. Roots take up dash and dash from the soils. Soil से root क्या लेता है बेटा? You have to write the name. Things. The normal temperature of human body is dash. Okay. Dash are the sweet edible part of a plant. Which are the sweet edible part of the plant? You have to write the name here. Now question number 3, circle the odd one out. Wheat, gram, mango and rice. जो भी इसमें आपको odd नजर आता है, you have to circle that one. Meter, centimeter, kilometer and gram. Hours, kilogram, seconds and minutes. And fourth one is potato, radish, carrot and onion. Okay, जो भी आपको इसमें odd नजर आता है, you have to circle that one. Now बेटा fourth, match the following. Okay, तो first है column A, column B. You have to write the numbering. Non edible seed, temperature, colorful and alternative attractive part of a plant and gold. Column B, Celsius, flower, physical balance and mango. जो आपको करेक्ट नजर आता है बेटा, उसके सामने आपने उसका नंबर डालना है. ओके, लाइनें नहीं लगानी. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, यू हैव टू डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग. फर्स्ट है मेजरमेंट, देन सीड. ठीक है, व्हाट इज मेजरमेंट? यू हैव टू डिफाइन हियर. यू हैव टू राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मेजरमेंट एंड सीड. ओके, नाउ बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 6th one, आंसर द फॉलोइंग इन one word. What is the flat surface of the leaf known as? The flat surface of the leaf, उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? You have to write the name here. Which device do we use to measure the temperature of our body? Which living organism sucks nectar? And fourth one is, name any 2 large units of time. You have to here write the name of 2 larger units. Units लिखनी है बेटा आपने टाइम की, आपने 2 यूनिट यहाँ पर लिखनी है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज योर वर्कशीट. यू हैव टू राइट द वर्कशीट इन योर फेयर नोटबुक एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस वर्कशीट. ओके, थैंक यू, हैव अ नाइस डे, बाय बाय बेटा.